And then if it's possible, can you pick up the tip with your teeth? Ooh. What? That was like really hot though. What? Yo, welcome Jokers, it's Original here with Kimbashi and Mika.
Hi.
And today we're in a hotel and we're gonna be doing a cool shoot with an analog camera.
Yeah. We're gonna do like a candid photo shoot of Mika and me. So we're gonna take pictures from each other, and then in the end we have like the nice video, high quality, and also the analog pictures we can put actually in the video later. So we make it a little bit censored first, and then of course uncensored.
Yeah, so check out the Patreon for that. And let's get it. Ooh. Whoops. Hey, it's Nick. What up? Perfect, and a huge one too.
Hi. Mika?
Mika.
Nick, hi, schön, dich kennenzulernen. Ja, den I guess what you're guys doing.
That's what you think we do, don't
Yeah.
Ich hab noch...
Oh, shit. Damn. Let's play the game. Let's play the game.
Oh nein! Okay. Aua!
So we were playing a game last night, and we all was just slapping our thighs way too hard.
Let me take a picture of you both.
You're the photograph.
It's just in auto mode, right, Kid?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Achso, das war
Is this yours,
Yeah.
Mika? Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Two pink. I love the like that you both wear the same color. It's awesome. Nice. Yeah.
So? Oder?
Oh, hey. Oh, oh, hey, hey, hey. Why? Alright, yeah, ready when you are. Recording. 3, 2, 1, action. Awesome. Yeah. Perfect. And grab her hand. 3, 2, 1. Hey, yeah, that was perfect. Yes. Awesome.
Sitting down maybe and cheering on or something.
Yeah, because you wanted to give her a prosecco. You said, weren't you gonna pour her a drink?
Yeah, I can do it now.
Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, grab it.
like a boss, standing in front of her like this and drinking by looking in her eye.
Legs open first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Jesus.
Let's do it 2 times? Like 1 time for a reel and 1 time for...
No.
No? Okay. Oh, alright. Then just shoot it horizontally the whole time.
Horizontal.
Oh, thanks. Awesome.
Do you want to eat first?
No. You guys want to eat first?
No, she
So-
wants to eat it from my...
Oh, okay, alright. Wait. So we finished with the censored stuff then, right?
Yeah, fuck the censored stuff.
Let's go.
Kannst Pizza so essen und dann kannst du die auch irgendwo hinlegen.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Alright. Wait.
And when they eat it on the bed, I'm from here.
It's one shot.
Yeah, we can do 1 shot. Yeah, I mean it's Joker Productions, so. Alright. Okay, yeah, let's do it.
Weg, nein! Und dann steht da.
What is going on here? Yeah. Okay. Is this slice big enough?
For my pup.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know.
Should I eat this?
Yeah, you go from there and take a bite.
Yeah, ready, Mika? Yes. All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, awesome. Let's do it one. So, same exact thing again, Mika. Ready? All right, that was perfect. I just need to do it one more time because I lost my focus. No, you can stay here. Like, just the last part, all right? All right, and action. Yeah, awesome.
What happened?
Oh my god.
I thought you guys were gonna like kiss behind it with it in the mouth. And Mika, you just look pretty in the background. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Should I move or stop?
No, just stop. Yeah. Sorry, okay. Yeah, that's awesome. All right, one more time. I'm sorry, guys. That was really good. Oh, the space is really small now. Okay. Oh. Nice. I was trying to shoot through you. That's fine. That's fine. So you want to swap? You can just keep shaking, Mika. It's still on video. Hey. Oh, that was perfect. Perfect framing. And then Mika coming back at the end. Guys, come look at this.
And then?
The back.
That's not perfect.
Awesome. That's awesome. Oh, Kim, can you long out your tongue and like stick it up? Because then it looks like you're licking Mika's butt. Give me some movements with your hands. Oh, okay. Okay. Nice. Use your teeth.
Ja, mach.
Aber ich brauche Nagelklipper, Leute.
Oh, it's too late. It's too late for that, Kim. We're already using teeth. Oh, sorry.
You from the beginning, it won't work.
We already knew. Pro tip, if you don't have scissors, use a nail clip. Yeah, nice, perfect. Got a snack.
Gotta have energy.
I have energy. Yeah. That's nice. So unprofessional with me eating. I'm so sorry. I'm hungry.
Boom it off.
Yeah, that's nice.
Boom it off.
Boom it up.
Boom it up. Yeah, ready when you are. Nice.
Can you get one picture like this?
Yeah, of course. Video or picture?
Picture.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is really good actually. I love all the colors. Everything is fantastic. Yeah. Nice. All right, let me come closer. Can you lean back a little bit, Kim? Hold on. More like this way. So same position. Yeah, exactly. Just so I can see more of you. Yeah. All right. Recording. Nice. Oh. Oh. Can I get that one more time on the video? All right, Joker, so we've just wrapped up with the shoot. I think it went well. What do you think?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Oh yes.
Awesome. Yeah, so as usual, we're going to have the uncensored pictures on Instagram, and we're going to have the censored... No. We're going to have the censored versions on Instagram, and the uncensored stuff will be on Patreon. So thanks for watching. And we're gonna say big up my jokers after 3. 1, 2, 3. Big up my jokers.